Do you know, we can convert an ordinary pen into a cute and creative Santa pen. Let's start. All you need is ping pong ball and pen. Color ball using brush. Cut black paper sheet in smile shape. Roll white paper on pen. Take red ribbon and swirl it around pen. Cut the cap. Attach pen cap with ball. Cut cloth from Santa cap. Make small cap using stapler. And attach bead on top. It's time to make our pen gentleman. Attach a bow and cap. Using paintbrush, make dotted dress for Smiley Santa. Make border using glitter paper. Santa pen is ready. Please like and subscribe if you find video creative. Stay tuned for such content in coming videos.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!